Hello students, welcome to Deepalakshmi Science Academy. So today's class we are going to see the numerical problems of 12th standard physics unit 3 book back question number 4. A bar magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field whose strength is zero point 0.8 Tesla. So B is equal to zero point 0.8 Tesla and the bar magnet is actually oriented at an angle of 30 degrees, so angle is theta is equal to 30 degree, and with the external field experiences a torque of 0.29 Newton meter. Torque is equal to 0.2 Newton meter. Now we have to find the two different things. One is magnetic moment. So magnetic moment is actually represented by the symbol P base m. So Pm is equal to torque divided by B into sine theta. So therefore torque value is 0.2 divided by B value is 0.8 into sine 30 degree. Point and point get cancels. So you'll have 2 by 8 into the value of sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Now this 2 goes to the numerator. So 2 into 2 becomes 4. 4 by 8 is nothing but 1 by 2. So the value is 0.5 ampere square meter. And then next one you have to find the work done by the applied force in moving it from the most stable configuration to the most unstable configuration, and also compute the work done by the applied magnetic field in this case. So we have to find the work done. Here you have to keep in mind work is done by the applied force in moving from most stable configuration towards the unstable configuration. So the answer has to be, since it is unstable, we have to express the answer in negative sign, that is in the opposite direction. It specifies that it's in the opposite direction, so we will have to write the answer with negative sign. So for work done we have a formula like this: 2 into, because 2 times it has been moved, okay, from one position towards the other position. So 2 into the found magnetic moment Pm into the strength of the magnetic field B. So 2 into 0.5, what we have found is the magnetic moment, into B value is 0.8. So 2 into 0.5 becomes 1.0. So 1.0 into 0.8 you will get 0.80. So the work done is 0.8 joule, but since it's in the opposite direction we are expressing with the negative sign. So work done is equal to minus of 0.8 joule. Is that clear, children? Thank you.